Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to install the iOS 17 developer beta on your iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Safari app on your iPhone. Then visit developer.apple.com. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Account. Under Sign in to Apple Developer, enter and submit your Apple ID and password. Use two-factor authentication to confirm it's you. Tap Continue and tap Trust. Then scroll down and check the box I agree and tap Submit. Then tap Enroll today. Now close Safari. Open Settings app, then scroll down little bit and tap General. Tap Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 16.4 or later. Under Software Update, tap Beta Updates. Here you will see iOS 17 Developer Beta. Tap iOS 17 Developer Beta. Go back. Wait for the software update screen to check Apple's server. Tap Download and Install. This will start update your iOS to iOS 17 developer beta. After some time, your phone will restart and you will see welcome screen. Tap Continue and swipe up to get started. Go to Settings and check for Software Update. iOS 17.0. So these are the steps to install the iOS 17 developer beta on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.